high-stakes fights, battles between kingdoms, cinematic duels. Whatever the context, when two forces go head-to-head, you need an epic battle track to set the scene and keep the adrenaline pumping. In this video, we're counting down our top 10 royalty-free battle music tracks. These tracks are perfect for use in trailers, montages, or any project that needs an extra dose of excitement. Number 10, Epic Battle by Raspberry Music. An orchestrated, vibrant track, Epic Battle by Raspberry Music exudes the cinematic character you'd expect from any good battle music. It features string-based instruments with rhythmic tones, and it's ideal for projects necessitating a classic backdrop to their epic fight scenes. Number 9, Epic Battle by Studio Colomna. This track is the embodiment of inspiring music. Its fast-paced beat and climactic feel are beyond motivational, making this a great track to back a fight, battle, or heroic rise of any kind. Inspiring strings and dramatic drums will surely set the ambience of your scene. Number 8, Epic Battle by Mr. B Music Studio. With a more dramatic tone and hard-hitting vibe, this file is well suited for high-stakes, impactful fight scenes. The music phases in and out between fast and slower-paced iterations of string elements and drum beats, giving you plenty of flexibility in terms of what specific application you use it for. Number 7, Epic Battle by Mr. Claps. Heavy on drums and thunderous rhythm, this track by Mr. Claps follows a fast 116 BPM. Whether your project involves action scenes or sports reels, its quick and engaging tempo is sure to leave your audience on the edge of their seats. Number 6, Epic Battle by Silverhoof. When it comes to speed, Silverhoof's epic battle song couldn't be faster. Its 155 BPM rhythm conveys a level of energy and drama that you can't ignore, with cascading layers of string instruments and drums. All the tracks we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to unlimited assets like stock footage, motion graphic templates, graphic design add-ons, and everything in between to bring your projects to life. Find the link in the description below. Our friend Marco over at the Envato Tuts Plus channel has created a video full of tips and tricks to choose the best songs for your project. Check it out to learn a thing or two. Number 5, Battle by Studio Colomna. Battle is a 2-minute track by Studio Colomna that features a simple, elegant melody that is perfect for underscoring footage of a battle or fight. The track has a feeling of heroism and bravery, making it well suited for use in montages or any project that needs an uplifting, triumphant soundtrack. Number 4, Epic Cinematic Powerful Build-Up Battle Trailer by Elevate Audio. Adversaries don't stand a chance against his smooth and heroic beat. It's got everything you could ask for in battle music, from cinematic orchestra strings to an engaging and energizing build. Number 3, Battle by BD Productions. With a notable use of bass and EDM, this file is markedly different from most other tracks in our list. It follows a very dramatic and hard-hitting beat, reminiscent of something you might hear in a culminating battle sequence. This track is perfect for action-packed montages or trailers that need an extra level of intensity. Number 2, Last Blood by Soundroll Music. Last Blood is also quite hardcore compared to other beats on this list. The music features a prevalent use of drums and electric guitar, as well as some elements of orchestra. Whether you use it for a battle scene or not, this track is sure to add excitement and suspense to any project. Number 1. Mechanarium by Mr. B Music Studio. Have a high-stakes fight scene that you just can't let go flat? Mechanarium is the perfect track for you. It's got an electric, heart-pounding beat that's synonymous with adrenaline and excitement. This is the kind of music that you need when everything's on the line and there's no room for error. Ta-da! We've hit the end of our 10 best epic music tracks countdown. Did you have a favorite on this list? What about an all-time favorite movie fight scene? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. If you want to see more great content like this, be sure to check out the suggested video to the right of your screen. It's been selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.